In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Amazon account to a business account in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you're all set, let's get started. First, open up your internet browser and go directly to Amazon.com. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's essential to ensure that you're on your primary account because this will be the base for your transition to a business account. Once you're logged in and on the home page, you're ready for the next step. Next, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Account and Lists option. Click on that. This is your main hub for account management and personal settings. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Scroll down a bit until you find something that says, Register for your free business account. This is your golden ticket to starting the process of conversion. After clicking Register for your free business account, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to utilize your current email for the business account. Here, it's crucial to click Yes, Use Current Email. Using the current email streamlines the transition process and ensures you keep all your existing information and benefits. Now that you've decided to move forward with your current email, it's time to enter your business details. Enter information such as your business name, address, and any other relevant details requested by Amazon. It's important to have these details on hand so you can fill out the form accurately and efficiently. Remember, accuracy is key in this phase to avoid any complications or delays. Once all your business details are filled in and checked for accuracy, move on by clicking Create Business Account. With this, Amazon begins the process of changing your regular account to a business account. This change allows you to access exclusive business features and pricing, contributing to more optimized and potentially cost-effective purchasing for your business needs. Finally, you'll be prompted to complete the setup. Follow each prompt that appears, ensuring you take the time to review any agreements or conditions that may be included. These steps are generally straightforward, but take a moment to understand the options available to you as a business account holder. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted your Amazon account into a business account. With this, you're now equipped with the tools and features tailored to benefit your business pursuits. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to explore all the new features and advantages that come with your Amazon business account.